And breaking news now coming in. The Patiala House Court has sent accused Jasir Bilal Wani alias Danish to a 10-day NIA custody. Remember, Danish is accused of being the co-conspirator of the Delhi blast that claimed 14 lives. Danish was reportedly being prepared by the Red Fort bomber Dr. Umar as a suicide bomber for the Delhi bombing conspiracy. Sambhav Sharma joins us for more on this story. Sambhav, 10 days remand that the NIA has got now of Jasir Wani, of Danish.
Well, absolutely. Here, the Delhi's Patiala House Court, a special NIA court in the Patiala House Court, has granted 10 days of NIA custody to Danish, who is one of the accused in this particular matter. 10 days of NIA custody to Danish, granted by the Delhi's Patiala House Court. Yesterday, Amir was granted 10 days of NIA custody. If we talk about Danish was produced before the court under heavy security deployment. I'm reporting from Patiala House Court. However, now situation seems normal because there was a bomb threat this morning to not just Patiala House Court but other court complexes in Delhi, including Saket Court and Tees Hazari Court. And after clearance, Danish was produced around 2 p.m. in here, and he stayed here for some 30 to 35 minutes in this court complex, and later on, after being remanded, he was taken by the National Investigation Agency under heavy security, and the NIA officials were seen covering Danish with and others.
Absolutely. In fact, for more breaking news now coming in, visuals are emerging from the Al-Falah University. Investigative agencies are continuing their investigation in connection with the Delhi terror blast case. Teams from the ED have conducted raids at 25 locations linked to the institution on the 18th of November. The university has come under the scanner after 3 doctors working there were identified as suspects in the Delhi blast case. So clearly, of course, the scrutiny on the Al-Falah University continues. Investigation is ongoing at the Al-Falah University. These are fresh visuals coming in from the university campus this afternoon. Bhavna joins us for more on this story. Bhavna, investigations continue at the Al-Falah University.
जी मैं आपको बता दूं कि जिस तरीके से दिल्ली बम धमाके से धमकी थी, उसके बाद जो है कहीं ना कहीं जांच एजेंसियां लगातार अपनी जांच में लगी हुई है। वहीं अब इस पूरे मामले में ईडी भी अल-फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी के ऊपर जो है शिकंजा कसती हुई नजर आ रही है। आज सुबह से ही ईडी की तमाम टीमें दिल्ली सहित 25 जगहों पर लगातार रेड में लगी हुई हैं, और जहां मैं आपको बता दूंगा दिल्ली में 3 जगह पर रेड चल रही है। वहीं इसके अलावा फरीदाबाद, लखनऊ, जम्मू कश्मीर लगातार तमाम अलग अलग जगहों पर अल-फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी पर जो है रेड जारी है। देखा जाए तो कड़ी दर कड़ी जोड़ते हुए जो इस पूरे मामले में संदिग्ध पाया जा रहा है, और वहीं मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग को लेकर, मनी ट्रेल को लेकर अब जो है ये रेड की जा रही है, क्योंकि उम्मीद लगाई जा रही है जिस तरीके से बीच में देखा गया था जैश के हैंडलर से हवाले के पैसे की बात भी सामने आई थी। तो ये इतना पैसा आ कहां से रहा है? क्या केवल 20 लाख की रकम आई थी? अगर बात की जाए कि जिस तरीके से विदेशी ट्रांजैक्शंस को देखते हुए जो है अब इस पूरे मामले की जांच की जा रही है। अब देखने वाली बात यही होगी कि आखिरकार इस कड़ी में कौन कौन जुड़ा हुआ है और ये जांच कहां जाकर खत्म होती है।
जी कुछ और इस वक्त बड़ी जानकारी हमें मिल रही है। सोर्सेज से ट्रबल हैज बीन रिकॉर्डेड ऑन द बॉर्डर आफ्टर द दिल्ली ब्लास्ट. Security forces have intensified search operations from Srinagar to the border, ready to respond to Pak's nefarious activities. So border searches have increased after this investigation into the Red Fort blast incident. Ashik, what can you tell us is the situation on the border currently?
Well, absolutely, Uday. It's been a high alert sounded across the Kashmir, including in light of control districts. Right now, we are at the LOC Puri, where we are seeing that how the security operations are taking place, including BSF and the Indian Army are conducting the search operations in LOC areas. Earlier, we have seen some infiltration attempts which were foiled by the security forces in Kupwara's Keren sector. Now, the security forces have been intensified in these LOC areas, including in Kupwara, Bandipora and Baramulla. And these search operations are being conducted to trace out the terrorists who have infiltrated from the cross border. And so far here we are seeing the major developments are taking place in Kashmir, including we have seen the raids which are being conducted by NIA, SI and other security agencies. Earlier we have seen many detained by the J&K police who were involved in the Red Fort blast, and now these search operations are being conducted to trace out those terrorists who are hiding in these forest areas. Uday, back to you.
Absolutely. In fact, more breaking updates coming in on the broadcast now. During his visit to Russia, External Affairs Minister